Okay, we're down to 3,000 grit. We've already went all the semi-bad spots with 2,000 grit. Brent's doing now 3,000 grit over the whole vehicle. This is everything that's been done with 3,000 grit so far. We're on it. We did all the rock chips and stuff like that. We filled in all the rock chips with paint and clear coat. My hood looks a lot better. It had a lot of rock chips. You can see some of them little spots. They're gonna come out. Some of them's indented, but a lot of that's gonna come out. We hit them all with paint, clear coat. They've been sanded before the paint was put in. All of that. The front bumper I'm not doing. Later on I'll have that repainted. We're just strictly gonna sand it, compound it, do everything, do all the steps to it and get it looking good, but it's got too much road damage. But the hood looks a lot better. There's a lot of rock chips in here that you can't see no more, especially through the camera, I don't think. You'll see some every once in a while, but you can tell where the 2000 was hit in them areas. And he's also went over a lot of the other vehicle with 2000. And like I said, we're down to the 3000 now. Once we're done with the 3000 grit, then of course the compounding comes after that. But that was all hit with 2000 there. It was a little rough, so he just hit the whole thing with 2000. All the really bad spots. He hasn't got to the lift gate yet. This part we haven't even got to yet. He's working his way around to it.
I did a little scuffing right back here.
Oh, okay, yeah, you're right. I'm sorry.
I did a little scuffing.
Yeah, my bad. Okay, I wasn't even looking at my camera good. Okay, I'm sorry. He has done some. Yeah, so he has started on. He done some already. Still gonna be coming over it. Like I said, this is the 3000 grit. We're getting close. Once the 3000 grit's over with, that's it. He'll do his thing after that, all of his steps. He ain't got much longer with this.